Plant FAQs. Begonia aconitifolia. Begonia aconitifolia, a striking beauty from the Brazilian jungles. Hi, Ferbu here. I'm a passionate plant enthusiast, and today, I want to delve into the captivating world of Begonia aconitifolia. This stunning begonia species, hailing from the lush rainforests of Brazil, has captured the hearts of collectors worldwide. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with all the essential knowledge to cultivate and appreciate this unique begonia. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is Begonia aconitifolia? Begonia aconitifolia belongs to the Begoniaceae family, renowned for its diverse and visually arresting foliage. This particular species stands out for its architectural form and captivating leaves. It grows as a reed-like perennial, reaching heights of up to 1 meter, 3.3 feet. The true stars of the show are the captivating leaves. Unlike its symmetrical begonia cousins, Begonia aconitifolia boasts stunningly asymmetrical foliage. Each deep green leaf features a distinctive, slightly rippled texture and may be adorned with subtle white markings that resemble brushstrokes. The real magic happens when light hits the leaves, revealing a captivating reddish hue on the undersides, adding another layer of visual intrigue. But Begonia aconitifolia isn't just about stunning foliage. During its blooming season, the plant produces delicate panicles, loose clusters of pink flowers, adding a touch of elegance to its architectural form. Begonia aconitifolia versus Begonia Sceptum, clearing up confusion. If you've stumbled upon the name Begonia Sceptum while researching Begonia aconitifolia, you're not alone. There's a bit of historical confusion surrounding these two begonia varieties. While both boast a similar upright growth pattern and are classified as superba canes, a group of tall, cane-like begonias, Begonia aconitifolia is the scientifically recognized name. Begonia Sceptum, although used in the past, is considered a synonym due to its later publication date. Here's a quick comparison to help differentiate the two. Feature Begonia aconitifolia. Begonia Sceptum scientific name A. D.C. Rodriguez status valid name synonym growth habit upright, cane-like height up to 1 meter up to 1 meter leaves asymmetrical, dark green with white markings, reddish underside similar to B. Aconitifolia flowers pink panicles. Remember, when searching for information or purchasing this plant, use the correct name, Begonia aconitifolia, to avoid any confusion. How to care for Begonia aconitifolia. Begonia aconitifolia, while captivating, thrives under specific conditions. Here's a breakdown of its care requirements. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Maintain consistently moist soil, but avoid waterlogging. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is ideal. Consider using a humidifier or placing your Begonia aconitifolia on a pebble tray filled with water. Temperature. Aim for warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. Well-draining, aerated potting mix rich in organic matter is essential. Consider a mix specifically formulated for African violets or begonias. Fertilizer. During the growing season, fertilize monthly with a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer. Withhold fertilizer during the winter months. Propagation. Begonia aconitifolia can be propagated through stem cuttings. Take stem cuttings with at least 2 nodes, dip them in rooting hormone, optional, and plant them in a well-draining potting mix. Maintain consistent moisture and humidity until roots develop. Repotting. Repot your Begonia aconitifolia every 1 to 2 years, or when the roots outgrow the current pot. Choose a pot that's only slightly larger than the previous one. With proper care and attention, your Begonia aconitifolia will reward you with years of vibrant foliage and delicate blooms. Begonia aconitifolia, a unique addition to your collection. Begonia aconitifolia offers a striking departure from the typical symmetrical begonia. Its architectural form, captivating leaves, and delicate blooms make it a conversation starter in any plant collection. While it might require a bit more attention compared to some hardier begonias, the rewards are well worth the effort.